Going on a trip? Check out the fun and fashionable capsule collection I put together just for you. Hello and welcome back to the Style Lab. My name is Suze and I help people look and feel amazing in their clothes every day, and especially while traveling. So today is super exciting in that I'm filming this episode in the Minimalist Earth studio in the West Loop of Chicago. So I've asked Jermaine Caprio, the owner of Minimalist Earth, and her amazing creative designers and staff to help us. So I'm going to put together a series of pieces that are all going to coordinate. All right, so I'm just going to grab the shirts. I'm going to bring 3 tops. So I've got one long sleeve top, if you want to hold that and just give it a little description and show everybody how we're going to put that together with, I'll hold the other tops I'm going to bring.
Okay, so this is the Aurora top, and the Aurora top is great because it's got nice long sleeves. There's elastic on the bottom so you can scrunch it up if you get hot. And we add a little bit of detail on the inside and around the neck that kind of peeks out. Only the neck detail peeks out, which is kind of a nice little addition. And you keep the inside detail at the bottom hem as your secret. So never worry about the print not matching something that you have on because you really don't see it.
Right.
But it's a nice detail. We did the same thing in the short sleeve version. This is our Nuovo top, and I love this top. I live in this top. It's got a high-low detail just like the other one. It's great for a French tuck when you do the half tuck on something. And again, the polka dot detail you don't see unless it's often on your hanger.
And then my favorite top,
the Ditaglio.
Yeah, business in the front, party in the back.
Yes, totally. And it's loose enough so that it drapes really well, and if you've eaten too much at that great restaurant, you don't feel uncomfortable, and yet it's also really flattering on.
Or too many beers.
Or too many
beers. I'm in Portland.
That's right.
Okay, and what we're doing is we're focusing on a cool color family or color story I like to talk about, and that way all the colors and the patterns are going to coordinate and mix and match. So we're going to have lovely Jane come out and show you guys how some of these pieces together put together with a jean. So she's got just a kind of a cool distressed black jean and her little ankle boots.
And her cute little Ditaglio top. So see the little detail in the back peeks out if she takes off her jacket, if she brought a jacket or whatever. I mean, just a super cute basic, right?
So cute. Yeah, that's what we want. And you can wear it a million ways. All right.
Excellent.
Thanks, Jane. Okay, next up, I'm going to show you the pants and a few more little tops. So the pants I'm wearing, the Tempe
Libero. Oh, Tempe Libre.
Tempe Libre. We got them mixed.
Okay.
We can always cut that. I love these pants. I live in these joggers, so I'm always talking about a pair of joggers that you can wear on the plane and be comfortable and have a nap in. And then, you know, when you arrive to your destination, you easily can change out into a heel or a sandal. In the case of my trip, I'm going to bring 3 pairs of shoes, 1 taller pair of sandal, 1 pair of like a Birkenstock sandal, and then a tennis shoe or like a cute little Palladium or a Adidas type of tennis shoe. So these pants are just brilliant for that. And then the little tank top I'm wearing, you can see, I can dress up with a little jean jacket or, you know, kind of casual, or even more dressy with a leather jacket. I know it's going to be hot in Portland though, so I'm probably not going to bring leather, but I will bring a couple layering pieces from Minimalist that I'll show you guys. And as far as other pants, I'm going to show you also the Tempe Libre in the black. And we've got a little coordinating headband, which I'm going to show you. These headbands are so great. So we're going to have our AJ come out and show you the JoJo leggings, and Jermaine's just going to describe her outfit for you guys.
So she's got on our Chicago Forte tank, which is basically the tank I have on. We did a little switch to this tank. We add our own touch. We put our planets so we show we care what we wear, and it talks, you know, kind of gives our idea about how much we love our planet. And then we also have the Hawthorne hoodie, which is a great layering piece. It's great for the plane. It has thumb holes to keep your hands warm when that plane gets freezing cold, and it's long enough and cut high-low again. It looks great with a legging. Our leggings cotton model like the rest of the pieces, so it's moisture wicking and it's natural, so you don't feel like too hot. It's really just a beautiful outfit for travel.
Yes, it is, and I think we could show how some of these other pieces coordinate with it. Like, for example, the top I'm wearing pulls in these great prints and patterns from Minimalist Earth that are just really easy to show how this picks up on. There's bits of black in it. There's bits of the teal.
Yeah.
So that's what I love so much about working with a little capsule collection like this, is that everything mixes and matches. So
Yeah,
really easy.
that print especially, it's got a million colors. You can't go wrong. You can put anything with it.
Which one?
Anything. The prismatic.
Prismatic. Okay.
Prismatic.
And then another layering piece that we love. I'm going to show you one more pant.
This pant is awesome.
I this. Yeah.
I gotta just jump in.
Yeah,
here.
you got it.
This pant is our Asana pant. It's designed as a yoga pant, but it is the best work pant if you need a casual work day. Simple, plain black pant. It's excellent, and it's made from cotton modal, but it's a little dressier than a legging, so you look like you actually got ready for work. And it's great for yoga or running or hiking on that trail in Portland because there's a little pocket in the back. That you can slip your credit card room key in or something, or your own credit card in. And it's just a really good, versatile, wonderful travel pant.
Yeah, great.
And then again, the little hoodie, this is our Alina hoodie. So it's kind of a take on the Hawthorne. The Hawthorne, we add our little touch of print that we like to do in everything. The Alina's very pared down. It's got like a nice kimono tie to it. You can wrap it a bunch of different ways.
Wear it open or wear it partly open, or you can wrap it. I mean, AJ is actually the queen of wearing this probably like 20 different ways. So you wear it like a top. And great layering piece.
Yes, it is. It really is.
All right, back to our list. So I've said that there were three tops, 3 pairs of pants. I would throw in a dress from my own closet, and then the workout gear and the leggings. You could also coordinate with them, or you could also use them for sleeping, or just designated for workout and sleeping.
Well, and the tanks that we make, these Forte tanks, I have on a solid, AJ has on a flag one. We put a little print inside the back, which is adorable, and you can turn, and then we make these out of cotton modal, so you can wear these on a hike, you can wear them to yoga, and I love wearing mine to bed. So honestly, tonight I'll get home, I'll slip everything off, I'll keep my tank on, and put on my piccoli short to go to sleep.
You don't have to change.
You don't. I barely change when I get home. It's so beautiful.
I know. That's my criteria for everything. Is like, if I can take a nap in it, I'm in.
Yeah, and the greatest thing is that if you do wear it working out, throw it in your sink in your hotel room with a little soap, rinse it out, hang it up to dry. It'll be dry the next day, ready to go again.
Yeah, because of that cool fabric that we love.
Yes.
All right. So, and again, I'm gonna be able to do laundry on my trip, so that's not an issue with bringing just the 7 pairs. So let's see. I'm just gonna bring out a couple. These are little shorts though for like sleeping, right?
Those are our piccoli shorts. They're fabulous. They look great with the tank you just had. They look great with this black tank. They're actually good if you are staying at a hotel. You have these on at night to sleep in. You want to sit on your balcony and drink a little coffee. You don't feel naked. You feel really cute and dressed up. Even I would do that, and I'm an old lady. Yeah, so you don't have to be in your underwear. So I'm just saying it's the most versatile little short. You can even wear it to the pool at your hotel.
As a cover up kind of over your bathing suit.
And it's made from our wicking fabric that dries really, really fast. So it's a super versatile little short. I definitely wouldn't leave these at home.
Okay, I love this print, Jermaine.
Thank you. That's called Beatnik.
It's gorge.
Thanks.
Yeah, so it does primarily go in the cool color family too.
Yes.
All right. So, and then got a pair of like just a brief, or not a brief.
This is our bikini. This is our cheeky bikini. So it's, again, all of our panties have that cotton, organic cotton gusset, which ladies, we all know, healthy.
Oh yes,
right?
We know what that is.
Yeah, we need that.
Yeah.
And then this one is the thong. It's our comfort thong, and when we put comfort in there, we mean it. It's really the most comfortable thong. If you've never worn them before, try ours. You'll never go back.
Yeah, I used to wear them a long time ago, and then after babies, didn't really have to wear them. And now I'm so excited to wear these.
They're all I wear. I mean, really TMI for the world, but I mean, they're the most comfortable things on the planet. I probably shouldn't fess it up on video.
You're wearing underwear. And then 2 bras. So I'm going to bring a racerback bra, the one that I'm wearing right now. So we're all with tanks, and it's got a really lightweight little cup in there.
And you know, the nice thing about this bra, guys, there's no wire in it, so when you're on that plane and you're on a long flight, you're comfortable. Yep. And you know what? We both have it on, and we both are getting some decent support out of it. Yep. So it's a really versatile, wonderful bra. I love it, and it's great on that hike. So if you are like hiking and you want your little sporty bra, and the nice thing is it peeks out behind your little tank. So if you've got, you know, like a little tank on, it looks like it's part of it. Yeah, that's all swimming. And
then this one is just like a regular bra, but you could do it any colors.
Organic
I'm just showing
cotton.
the light one.
We have all different colors of these. Check the site. We do have a bunch of different colors for all of these, so pick your fave.
Yep. All right. And then last but not least, like I said, we're not going to talk about accessories. That's another video. But I did want to show you guys these amazing headbands that these great designers make that are so cool. I have one just wrapped around my wrist because I just love, you know, the pop of color there. And this is just a small selection of them.
Yeah.
So AJ was wearing one. If you want to pop back in, how cute is hers?
This is our excess fabric. This is the stuff we don't want to throw away. We don't throw anything away. We get tired of that. So we thought, so many people said, make headbands. And I thought, oh my gosh, make headbands. So we've got headbands and all these cute little prints. They vary. They will change out. They sell fast. So get the prints. If you like it, get it. And they're really reasonably priced. They're just versatile. And again, you can wear it on your wrist. And you can wear it as a scrunchie. So you can pull your hair up in a ponytail if you want to. So yeah, they're just really fabulous.
Okay. I think we covered everything with regards to a travel capsule wardrobe that's easy to mix and match, lightweight, moisture wicking, eco-friendly fabrics. When it comes to packing and rolling, any method that you choose is going to work with these pieces, and they're going to come out of your suitcase looking fabulous, and you're going to feel amazing on your trip and really enjoy what you're there to do, which is be on vacation or whatever it is that you're doing on your trip. So hope you enjoyed these tips. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Tremaine.
Oh, you're welcome.
And your amazing AJ and Jane for joining. And we'll catch you next one on the Style Lab. If you liked the video, make sure you comment and ask us any questions. I'll make sure and get back to you. And definitely give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thanks, guys. See you soon.
Bye.